the beautiful cubby house. And here's a picture of it. And I guess there was one for boys too. So this was for girls. And see if I might have to hire a 2-year-old to help me get into the package. And we have tent-like sticks. And check that out. I'm not going to put the sticks in it because we're not outside anywhere where we can put this in the ground. I think you could probably put it together and put it in the bedroom. This is super, super cute, y'all. Y'all see that? Look how cute that is. She is going to love it. I'll put it together the rest of the way and get you some pictures of it.